Now I'll demonstrate how to reassemble your Benelli R1. Okay, you've got to make sure that this rod fits into the cup. You see there at the back of the receiver, there's a cup there that fits in like that. Okay, there's a cup there. This fits in like this. I can see this here. It fits in like that. Okay, got to make sure this is aligned with these pins. Okay. Goes in like that. All right. And then you want to put this assembly into this cylinder here. Easy does it. And then pull the bolt back. It should make it easier to slide the barrel into the receiver. There it goes. Okay. So it appears to be aligned. You'll see a gap. This gap here indicates it hasn't clicked in place. So just give it a little bit of force. And you can pull the bolt back. There, it clicks. Click into place. Like that. Operate that. Yeah, appears to be okay. And then you put this piece back on. Keep tightening it as much as you can using your fingers, and at some point it gets to be a bit too much because the spring's being compressed. Then use your tool to complete the installation of this piece. I think that's tight enough. It stops. That should be enough. About enough torque. Doesn't take much torque. And then slide on forend. Just like that. And tighten up this fastener here. Okay. Put the magazine back in. Oops, it's not tight enough. There it goes. Make sure that's tight. It's very important to have all the pieces assembled correctly and the fasteners tightened. Okay. And then put the magazine back in. Pull the bolt back. There. Bolt release. Okay. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching.